OpenText Brava allows corporations to effortlessly remove sensitive content and personal information from documents as part of their business process. You can manually redact information with a simple drag and highlight. Done. Or, using simple menus, users can automatically redact sensitive data, such as social security numbers, credit card numbers, or email addresses, in both structured and unstructured documents and forms. Brava securely protects intellectual property or personal information from unintentional disclosure, theft, or other misuse, guaranteeing that companies meet regulatory requirements for privacy and disclosure. This is just one example of how Brava can help your business.